Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday. So the chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. Yesterday we didn't post any video presentation due to some technical reasons. The price opened near the key zone of 460, found resistance, but finally it cleared 462 and went near 466 and closed near 465.45. As a follower, you know the importance of 460 and 462. Since the price had cleared 462 and it had a closing above or near 465, today it's expected to open somewhere near 464. You can expect copper to stay in buying, maintaining 460 as base support and 459 as stop loss, expecting that the price can clear 467. And as a follower, you should be knowing that 467, I am going to decrease the scale in order for you to get some idea. So these are the things what happened. So around 467, the price, you can see the last week and the previous week, the price tried hard to break 467. That resulted in a failure, but after a drop also, but still the price is moving up. These are critical zones, and we expect that the price can clear all these zones once the price got some buying momentum. So today we expect copper to stay in buy. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.